Hello, creative kids. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into some spooktacular fun with our friendly ghost of hugs. Too cute to spook and ready to charm, this little ghost has a special challenge for you. Can you spot all the bats hiding in the image? Let's put those observation skills to the test and see who's the ultimate spotting champ. Grab your pencils and join the fun as we draw, learn, and play together. Let's start by drawing a large semicircle at the top of the page. This forms the head of our little cute friend. Then, let's draw the eyes, 2 large circles. Leave some space in between as we will add a smiling mouth as well. Below of our drawing, let's draw 2 tiny hands. Those will hug the hearth we are about to draw shortly. Now we are going to start drawing the adorable red cape for our super cute ghost. Start from the top of the hands, right about where the neck area would be, and draw 2 lines, one each side to form the top of the cape. Add some fold detail for the cape. Then connect it with the ends of the line drawn previously. On the other side, let's add a small detail, something like a flower. I think this is giving a lot of character to our little friend. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Oh, and let's keep an eye for those nasty bats. Have you seen any so far? Finally, let's finish off the ghost with the bottom part of the body. Did you know that back in the 8th century, a pope decided that November 1st would be a special day to honor all the saints? This day became known as All Saints' Day. The night before turned into a special celebration called All Hallows' Eve, which eventually became known as Halloween. At first, people would leave out treats for the saints to show their respect and gratitude. But as time went on, the celebration evolved. Kids began to wear fun costumes and go caroling and asking for sweets. This cheerful tradition of dressing up and collecting treats is what led to the Halloween we celebrate today. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.